Lyric Catalyst, BK, Manek Shobi, check it, 100K Spakahle. Remember boy, yo, was, yo, give me 100K Spakahle. Bathwala amakhanda bring the X bahlahlele. Lyric Catalyst imnike lights abasele. Clevile zeno forward plus osnaya abasele. Back come a trapper man they suck lama rapper. All they do is step na auto tune get rhymes bafaka score. I luck we might even get a back and respect laba basibukela phansi njengama camera semall. Skill is unbelievable so wena sibani ukholweni. Bakwelethisa ngerhyme ngize ngibabhale edolweni. My niggas bust the cap yosindo phephe sigqokweni. I'm crazy with diet yazi ngislima nasengomeni. Bazogcwala basesifakela ama kicks so bashaya. Sifitipha ngumsonko sinwaya waya. Nigga shut up. Smart damn niggas can ignore yazi khona ulalele ngiproud ngekasi though lana khona amavalisha khohlakele. Watch your backs na izovela ulahle konakele ngisa confused yazi kudukusi sekuthiwa utholakele. First you think you're cool kuyacaca le yimarket. Yashisa kulamalanga shoot ifridge like in ikhabet. Shaya taxi driver ngizokidnap ama passenger. Wena ama CDs abeyina ama cassette la. We rap ngizengokrula sivula shit ngizodlula ntutula njengekhukhula bhula nebeef ngenyula. Sinayi rapper nomucula ukukhombisa ukula. Ngisho shaya track isangoma lento yakhe ishoda ngokubhula. Dope ngingogqoqo njengale nkantini oyishukile. Bakata khalo ngobiso libonile shoot kushubile. Mangena ulyric Catalyst shoot uBK ophumile. Lyric ngikhipha unyawo ngathi ngiqoka iteke liqhumile. Fuck it.